Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're doing a quick test of this Pavoni espresso machine. We don't have a portafilter for this machine, so we won't be able to make coffee, but we'll still do a quick test. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. You can see I have an external gauge on this one just to test it. The steam pressure was a bit high, and so I turned it down. And because when it was too high, this was leaking here, and even after I replaced the safety valve inside, and looks like maybe the customer had that sort of issue too. As I can see, it looks like it's been taken off a lot with some sort of pliers or something that's kind of marred it up. And then I'm just going to pull the head to show the water coming out, since I don't have a portafilter. Nice strong flow. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.